Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the Beats wireless headphones to the Samsung Galaxy S9. Alright, this works the same for the S9 Plus as well. So to get your headset into pairing mode, first things first, make sure they're completely off, and you're going to hold down the power on button over here for about 5 to 6 seconds until we see the blue-red flashing light. So let's go ahead and do that. And you have to get it into pairing mode so that it can show up on your phone. So hold down the power button until you get this. All right, so let it go. And of course, you'll see that. And now that it's in pairing mode, simply let's get to the, let's head over to the S9, the gear settings icon over here. So look for that and go to that. And then we'll go to where it says connections. So tap on that one time. And then go to Bluetooth and power on the Bluetooth settings. So go ahead and power that on. And as you power it on, it's going to search for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. And it'll tell you that it's getting the device name. And because this is the older Beats Wireless, it'll probably take a while due to the Bluetooth 2.0 version. So just wait for it to get the device name. And then you'll see Beats Wireless. And just tap on it. It'll say pairing. And you'll notice the lights in the background will stop flashing blue and red, and of course it'll have the one-time blue light flashing, and it'll tell you that it's connected to call and media audio, and of course that's basically it for the guide. It's not connected and you're good to go. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.